Welcome to our latest video, where we're going to showcase the top 10 banned gadgets that you can still buy on Amazon. From the Flipper Zero to the Wi-Fi Jammer and Delther Watch, we've compiled a list of the most prohibited and controversial gadgets that you won't believe exist. So get ready to discover the top 10 banned gadgets that you can still buy on Amazon in 2023. Number 10. Mojo Lens. Have you ever wished you had a mini computer right in your eye? Well, with the revolutionary Mojo Lens, that dream is now a reality. This banned gadget, developed by Mojo Vision, is a smart contact lens that provides a heads-up display directly in your field of vision. It's so advanced that it can even detect your eye movements and allow you to interact with the display using simple gestures. The potential applications for this technology are endless, from real-time translations to augmented reality experiences for gamers. And the best part? Despite being a banned gadget, you can still get your hands on it through Amazon and AliExpress. Number 9. Wi-Fi Jammers. Have you ever heard of jamming devices? These gadgets are designed to block signals of communication devices, such as police radars, wireless networks, and even GPS systems. However, did you know that these banned gadgets are still available for purchase on the market? Despite being illegal, some online retailers offer these devices, putting the public's safety at risk. That's why the federal government has strict legislation prohibiting the use, operation, sale, and marketing of these forbidden gadgets. Such jamming devices endanger vital communications for public safety and could discourage people from contacting emergency services. Law enforcement agencies work hard to combat this issue through education and enforcement. Number 8. Portable Wi-Fi Lighter Camera. Are you looking for a discreet gadget that can also function as a spy camera? Look no further than the portable Wi-Fi lighter camera. This clever device looks just like a regular electric lighter, but it also has a hidden camera lens in the base. Simply place it on a table or shelf and you're ready to go. But that's not all. It also connects easily to your computer, allowing you to transfer and view your recordings with ease. With its one-button operation and direct access USB terminal, the portable Wi-Fi lighter camera is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a covert surveillance gadget. And while it may be banned in some places, you can still find it available for purchase online. Number 7. Electric Blanket. Have you ever considered buying an electric blanket to keep you cozy and warm during those cold winter nights? Despite their popularity, electric blankets are actually banned in a number of countries due to safety concerns. These blankets have heating elements that can be adjusted manually and even washed in a washing machine. However, the combination of flammable materials and the large amount of heat generated can be a cause for concern. In fact, there are about 5,000 fires each year in the UK alone due to the violation of safety precautions when using electric blankets. Additionally, people who are unable to feel pain, such as small children, the elderly, and those with diabetes, are at risk of serious burns. Despite the risks, electric blankets are still available for purchase in some countries. Make sure to use them safely and follow all recommended guidelines. Number 6. Mini Safe Wallet. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky wallet? Do you worry about the safety of your cash and credit cards when you're out and about? If so, then the Mini Safe Wallet might be the perfect solution for you. This compact and stylish gadget is designed to keep your valuables safe and secure at all times. Made from high-quality materials, the Mini Safe Wallet features a tough exterior shell that is resistant to scratches and impacts. It also has a soft interior lining that helps to prevent damage to your cards and cash. But the real standout feature of the Mini Safe Wallet is its RFID blocking technology, which protects your personal information from would-be thieves. And with its built-in combination lock and spacious design, the Mini Safe Wallet is the ultimate must-have for anyone who values their personal security. So why wait? Order your mini safe wallet today and start enjoying peace of mind wherever you go. Number 5. Wireless mini button camera. Have you ever heard of wireless mini button cameras? These small cameras may seem innocuous, but they have the potential to be used for nefarious purposes, such as invasion of privacy and voyeurism. That's why in several countries, they're banned to safeguard the privacy of individuals and prevent illegal practices. Despite their prohibited status, they can still be easily found and purchased on various online marketplaces. It's important to remember that using a wireless mini button camera in inappropriate situations can result in criminal charges. So always use technology responsibly and respect the privacy of others. Number 4. Semi-automatic powerful slingshot. Have you ever wanted to try out a powerful slingshot for some outdoor fun? Look no further than the semi-automatic powerful slingshot, a cool gadget that's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. With its semi-automatic design, you can quickly fire off multiple shots without having to manually reload, making it great for target shooting or hunting small game. And with its high-powered projectiles, you can hit your targets with impressive force and accuracy. Available on Amazon and AliExpress, this slingshot comes in a range of options to fit your needs and budget, with additional features such as laser sights or adjustable tension. Just remember to use it responsibly and follow all safety guidelines to ensure a fun and safe outdoor experience. Number 3. Smart NFC Ring. Have you ever heard of the Smart NFC Ring? This innovative gadget is designed to make your life easier by allowing you to perform various tasks with a simple tap of your finger. However, due to security concerns, it has been banned in some regions. Despite this, you can still purchase it on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress. The Smart NFC Ring uses near-field communications or NFC technology to interact with other devices such as smartphones or door locks through contactless transactions. While it offers convenience and accessibility, it also raises concerns about privacy and security. If you're interested in purchasing a Smart NFC Ring, make sure to do thorough research and take the necessary precautions to protect your personal information. Number 2. Magnetic Micro Earpiece. Are you looking for a discreet way to communicate with someone without anyone else knowing? Look no further than the Magnetic Micro Earpiece, a popular gadget that has been banned in some countries due to its potential use for cheating or illegal activities. However, despite the ban, you can still find these earpieces available for purchase on various online marketplaces. The system consists of a mini earpiece and an intermediary device that can transmit signals wirelessly to the earpiece, allowing for secret communication. While the magnetic micro earpiece may seem like a convenient and easy solution, it's important to note that using it for illegal purposes can result in serious consequences, so use it responsibly and only for its intended purposes. Number 1. Twin Blade Knife. Are you a fan of Batman and cool gadgets? Then you might want to check out the Twin Blade Knife, Dark Knight pocket folding spring-assisted dual blades bat knives with belt clip. This sleek and stylish knife features not just one, but 2 sharp blades that fold neatly into the handle. With a spring-assisted mechanism and belt clip, it's easy to carry and access whenever you need it. You can choose from a range of colors, including the eye-catching black gold option. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just looking for a cool accessory, this knife is a great choice. You can find it on popular online marketplaces like Amazon and AliExpress, where it's still available despite being banned in some regions. With its high-quality construction and affordable price range of $12 to $45, the Twin Blade Knife is a great value for your money. Thanks for watching our video on the 10 banned gadgets that you can still buy on Amazon. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and top 10 lists. Which of these banned gadgets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.